Last month, I made over $5,000 from one of my YouTube channels, and I only worked on it for about 3 hours a week. Oh, and that's not including the extra $10,768 I made from other monetization streams. And here's the wild part. The entire channel is faceless. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how I did it, from choosing the niche, to spotting viral trends, to automating the whole process. If you've ever wanted to start a YouTube channel but didn't want to show your face, this might just be the easiest money you can make in 2025. Why faceless YouTube works so well. Right now, YouTube is pushing new creators like never before. You don't need a big following, you don't need fancy equipment. And the best part? You don't even need to appear on camera. Even brand new faceless channels with just a few videos are earning $10,000 to $15,000 a month. And that's because YouTube is hungry for fresh content in underserved niches. Game-changing strategies I use. The outlier method. This is my personal favorite. You look for viral videos on small channels, what I call outliers, and then you remake them, but better. That's how I made the video, which ended up making me over $10,000. I saw the concept work somewhere else, improved the script, thumbnail, editing, and boom, it took off, scaling to $10,000 per month with 2 channels. Once you crack the code on one channel, it becomes way easier to grow a second. I now run 2 faceless channels that bring in around over $10,000 a month combined, and I only work 10 to 20 hours a week. How you can start today. If you're a beginner, don't overthink it. Just pick a niche you're curious about, find an outlier video, and create your first video. Consistency beats perfection every time. And if you already have a channel and want to scale, apply this method to double your views and revenue. See you in the next one.